Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I've been gone for a little minute, but I'm back and I have another nail supply haul, nail haul, whatever you want to call it. And we're just going to get straight into the video because it's not much to say except I have a haul. So for the first item, I have these almond shaped press-on nails, soft gel nails, I always get this brand from Temu. I guess this is like their signature brand or whatever. But I have these and these are like a light pink nudie color, and I got like I said, like short almond, but these are like a little bit more medium on my fingers at least. And every French tip in the package comes with a different kind of French tip. So you can see it's like traditional French tip on these ones, and then the ones before this were like a little bit more like geometric. So they're all different in the pack, and I have two packs of these. One is like a darker pink, and then these are the lighter pink ones, so I got those. So the next thing I got was these stamping gel polishes, and they come in a set of 12. It's like a whole rainbow, and they're not really that big. I don't even know how many fluid ounces they are, but they're like really small little container bottles of stamping gel polish. And I got these because I have some that I had for like over a year, and they're like really like watery, like oiled down, watered down. I don't know what it is, but they're like separated in the bottle. So I got a new set of these, and I hope they work because not all stamping polish works, but I got these from Temu as well. And the next thing I got were these what do they call it, kiwi charms? I don't know what they're called, but they're like the 3D nail charms, like the candies, the lollipops, the goldfish, gold bears. Oh my gosh, what they called? Gummy bears. Gummy bears, not gold bears. They're gummy bears, lollipops, rainbows, and sugar candies and all that stuff. And they're like the mini ones, so I got those because I do a lot of short nail sets. So I think that these would be like really good for those because they're not super long nails, but they'll be good for long nails too, when I do videos on those. But I got these to try these out, see how I like them. And then the next thing I got were some more nails, of course, and these ones are the V French tip nails, and they come with like I don't know how many, like 10 sets to use. I got this like nudie pink, and I got some before they were V French tip, but those are longer and these ones are short. So I'm really happy about that, and they feel really good. They're like really sturdy and they don't feel flimsy at all. And even the V is not like a obvious printed on, so that's really nice. And the next thing I got were just some drill bits, and I don't know exactly what these ones are for. I forgot, but they're a set of 4 and they're in the same grit, but they're all like different sizes. Some are small, some are large, get a little bit bigger, get a little smaller. But if you know what these are for, please let me know in the comments because I actually forgot. I think they're to take off gel polish, but let me know if I'm wrong. I don't think I am, but let me know because I don't remember. Like I said, I just got them to get them. And the next thing I got was this nail stand. Not a nail stand, it's a, what's it called, UV light stand. And I got this for like the quick dry UV lamps that you get that you can hold with your hand, but I don't want to do that, so I got this to put it on a little stand, disconnect it. It's magnetic if you want it to be. It's just something simple to have, something that will keep it on the post, but also I can detach it if I need to. So I just got this for my nail lamp that I got, my little mini one. And then the next thing I got were these just skull stickers just for like Halloween time. These will come up in a video pretty soon, so please stay tuned for that. And I got some more nail art markers, and these ones are metallic ones, and I've been seeing these for a while, so I got some of these, and these actually are like dual-sided, so one side is thicker lines and the other side are thinner lines, so I really like that. And they're air dry, I know that for sure this time. And these will come up also in the video later on, so please keep an eye out for that because I'm excited I got these. Next up are some more like metallic nails, but these ones are actual nails. The last one were markers, but yeah, these are like metallic chrome gel nails, and these are like long. I wish they were shorter. Maybe they'll come out with shorter ones later on, but these are long ones, and they're like a nude base. They're really pretty. I think these red ones will come like in handy for like Christmas time, so I can't wait to like try those out. But yeah, they're like different assorted colors. They're all nude base, they're all long, and they're just different like metallic French tip nails. And these are different because I haven't seen them anywhere else, so I'm excited that I got these, of course. And up next are some more gel nails, but these ones are for my toes. So I did take these out to try to see what they look like, but I used my thumb. But these are toenails. Um, and they're like a nude base, and the packaging, they look more orange, but they are nude. They're not really my favorite. I don't really like the ombre nude toe, but I got them because they were like $2. So like, why not, you know? But they're very flimsy, flexible. They're not sturdy at all. So if you like that, then get them. If you don't. Next, I got some nail files. Nothing too crazy. Just 2 packs of 60 grit and 100 grit. Can't go wrong with that. And up next are some more gel nails, of course, because I can't get enough of those. These are also like assorted, but they're like a extra short almond round. I don't really know which one you want to call it, but they're like different colors of nude and one white one. I guess that's a nude, but yeah, they're like extra short. And these are also very like flimsy, flexible, nothing too crazy sturdy. And then just some basic what's it called, foil cases. I got some of these before, but I needed some more, so I got like 2 3 of them. I don't know. And then can't go wrong with dental bibs. I got a few of those. Can't remember how many's in the pack. Maybe 100. Don't remember. And then the next thing I got was something different. I haven't really seen anybody with this. And it's just a sterilization nail bit cleaner, nail tool cleaner. It really just cleans anything, but I got it obviously for nail products, like my cuticle cutters, the nippers, tweezers, anything like that that's metal. It's supposed to sterilize them, and I'm not really 100% sure how to use it yet, but I will try it. The instructions, I don't think that they were that clear for me personally, but I got it just because I wanted to get it. And if you guys want to get this or anything else, I will have my code linked in the description to get this stuff from Temu. And I will also have the products maybe linked down in the description. I don't know, because I got a little bit of a lot of stuff. But I will have my code and a link for any nail products with my code linked in my description. Okay, for Temu for you to use. So please use that code and go to Temu and put a review, put anything you need to do, but get some products, because you know I always do a Temu haul anyway. So might as well use my code because I get some good stuff, okay? And you know I do. So help a girl out, okay? And the next thing I got were these false nail tips. You know, always get a pair of these. And these are just coffin tips. I'm not sure if I got some before, but I wanted some more that I can like make short but won't lose like the shape of them, because if they're like extra long, you know, you lose the shape if you cut them too much. So I got these short coffin nail tips, and I got them in clear. And then the next thing I got were some nail tip containers. I think I got like 2 of these. I don't know. What's this? The next thing are some more nails, and these are my last nails for this video, but these are also like some assorted French tip style new base nails, of course, but these are long ones. I wish they also had them in short, of course, because I like short nails. But these are very sturdy. Like, they feel like the acrylic nail tips. These are sturdy, okay? And I don't know how much I can say, but they're sturdy, okay? They're hard to even see the gel inside of them when I was using them, but they have like no flexibility to them really whatsoever. So if you like it, you do. If you don't, you don't. But I got them because I got them, you know? And this is everything that I got in my haul. And like I said, please use my code in the description below. And we're going to get into showing you guys a nail design that I came up with that you also saw in the thumbnail, of course. So to get into it, I'm going to be using these nails that I just showed you guys last. And I'm going to be using the metallic markers as well. But I'm going to use the blue one. And I'm choosing these style of nails, same ones I also showed you in the last clip. But I'm just sizing out the nails right now, and I'm not going to like do anything to mat them up on the inside or anything, because they're already like pretty matte on the inside. So I'm just going to get into really just applying them on my nails. And of course I have peel off base on, but you don't obviously don't do that if you're not going to peel them off right away. And I'm using the 5-in-1 builder base gel that I also got from Temu a while ago to adhere these on, and this is pretty good to do this. The only thing I could say, I don't know if it's because of the gel I'm using or if it's the nails itself, but me putting gel underneath these nails was so hard to see. Like, I don't know if the new is just so opaque or what it is, but I could not tell how much glue I was adding on to my nail at all. And I don't really like that. I like the design of nails. I like that they're sturdy and everything, and they do also have like a little bit of an apex, but I don't like that I cannot see where the gel was going underneath the nail. So I don't know. I may need a little bit more of assistance and guidance on how to maneuver around that. If you guys know any tips and tricks for that, let me know in the comments, please, because I could not see for the life of me. Even like seeing it on video, I can see the slightest bit of gel underneath, and I don't like that. I want to see where the gel is going, but I do like that they are opaque at the same time, so I'm in a conundrum. I don't know, but yeah, I'm just applying all the nails, and for some of them also, I think because they're opaque or because I couldn't see, I don't know, but I had to take them off and add like a little bit more extra glue onto my actual nail to make them stick, because the light was not able to penetrate through these nails to adhere them onto my nail. So I don't know what that could have been, but just to let you guys know that that is what happened with me when I was doing these. But yeah. So after I adhere all the nails on, I'm just going in with my nail filer, and I'm doing these all with the hand file, not the machine or anything. So I'm just gonna go around these what's it called? I'm gonna shave off all the little tabs on all the nails, and also like any excess glue that might have got like on my skin or anything, and just clean them up a little bit. I don't want to peel off the white on the nails, so I'm trying to like be as gentle as I can, especially like around the cuticle part where the swirls are at. But I'm just doing this with hand file all over, and then I'm also going to take the buffer and just buff around the cuticles also, you know, just to get them smooth out, because I don't want all those ridges. And yeah, I want to get into the rest of the design. I don't know. So the next thing I'm doing is taking alcohol wipe, cleaning off all the dust, and I'm taking the blue like chrome marker that I said I had, and I'm doing this to do like an outline on, well, I'm doing all the nails actually, but I'm trying to do where the white is at and make some of the white lines blue instead. And I like that it's like metallic, and I don't have to use like chrome powder or anything, so I'm using this to do it. And I didn't matte the nail out or anything first. I'm just doing this over the shiny glossy top coat, whatever is already on the nail by itself, and it's working pretty fine. The only thing I could say, I guess, with the markers, don't I don't know. I don't know if I should have colored over it so much because it looks a little patchy, but I do like the markers. Like, they work pretty well. They air dry it pretty fast, like they have in the description of them. So I really do like them. I just have to work on my line work. But even cleaning them up, like just taking like a cotton pad or cotton ball or whatever, lint free white, whatever you want to use to like clean it up with some alcohol on it, it came off pretty simple, pretty easy. So it worked for me pretty much, you know. Nothing was really wrong with it. It was easy to color in with. I didn't have to matte the nose up or anything with it first. I don't know how much different it would be if I did do that, but this was working pretty fine for me. And I do like these markers. Like I said, they were they were easy to use. Okay, English. They were easy to use, and I do really like them. So I'm going to continue doing the video with the marker. So these are what the nails look like after I apply all my chrome on them. And don't they just look so pretty? Like I should have added some rhinestones on them or something, but they are dry, like I said. And now I'm just gonna go in with the stain resistant top coat that I also got from Temu a while ago. And I'm just gonna put this on all the nails, cure it for 2 minutes, and then come back to show you guys what the nails look like complete. So these are what the nails look like once they're all done, and I really do like them. I like them even though they are long. I just wish that I could see how much glue is underneath, because I don't know if I didn't do peel off base, I don't know how well they would stick on. But I do like the nails. I like the markers. I like the design. I will probably try this design without it already being pre-made, but I like them. Like I said, I hope you guys like them. I hope you like the nails, the video, Temu products, all of it. I hope you use my code in the description like I keep saying. Okay? And if you do, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video, which probably will be the part 2 of the rest of the haul, because I got a lot of junk. So, yeah. See you guys in the next one. Bye!